Hey there, friends. If you're dealing with a nagging cough or painfully scratchy throat, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share my go-to natural remedy that can provide fast relief using just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. No need for harsh over-the-counter syrups or lozenges. This homemade cough and sore throat soother is all natural, easy to make, and so soothing. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have an effective syrup remedy ready to knock out your cough and soothe that poor, inflamed throat. You'll also learn some helpful tips on how to get the most relief from this remedy. I'm going to walk you through every step, from the key ingredients to the simple process of whipping up this natural cure-all. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. This homemade syrup relies on 3 powerhouse ingredients that have been used for centuries in natural remedies. First up, we've got honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and antiviral that can instantly start coating and soothing an irritated, scratchy throat. Next is lemon juice. The bright citrus helps cut through mucus while delivering a dose of vitamin C to support your immune system. And finally, we need some fresh ginger root. This zesty root has amazing anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and discomfort in your airway. Let's get our remedy started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of honey, the juice of 2 fresh lemons, and 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root, peeled and grated. First, combine the honey and lemon juice in a small saucepan. Gently warm the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until it becomes slightly thinner and easier to stir. Be careful not to let it boil. Next, fold in that freshly grated ginger. I recommend starting with 2 inches, but if you want to feel that spicy kick, you can add up to 3 inches of grated ginger root. Allow the syrup to cool just slightly so it's drinkable but still warm. Then it's ready to use as an amazingly soothing cough drop and throat coating remedy. One of my favorite things about this homemade syrup is how versatile it is. You can take it straight by a spoonful to coat your throat. Or you can stir it into a cup of hot herbal tea for an extra soothing, honey lemon tea treat. If your throat is feeling inflamed and irritated, try gargling with some warm salt water before taking a spoonful of the syrup. That 1-2 punch can do wonders. And make sure to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids will help thin out and loosen mucus so you can recover faster. I like to make a fresh batch of this syrup at the very first signs of a cough or sore throat. Having it on hand makes it so much easier to stay on top of the symptoms before they get worse. Compared to commercial over-the-counter cough syrups and lozenges, this homemade remedy has so many advantages. For one, you know exactly what's going into it. No artificial dyes, flavorings, or mystery ingredients. It also just tastes way better in my opinion. That fresh lemon ginger honey flavor is so bright and soothing, not sticky sweet or medicinal like store-bought brands. And perhaps best of all, this is an all-natural remedy you can feel good about using. No need for harsh ingredients or side effects. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. Whether you're fighting off a cold, recovering from the flu, or just pushed your vocal cords a bit too hard, this natural cough and sore throat syrup is a must-try. Personally, it's gotten me through more than a few bouts of laryngitis or nasty coughing fits. It works to provide fast, soothing relief. Your taste buds and scratchy throat are going to thank you. The next time you're feeling under the weather, give this simple homemade recipe a try. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button. I'm always cooking up practical, no-nonsense strategies for living a richer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back again soon with more natural home remedies and tips. But for now, take care and stay healthy.